everyone, welcome back to Coding Trades. So in this session we are going to see about for loop. So how the for loop will execute, let us see. So like other programming languages, same like other programming languages, here also the for loop will work as the same. So let us see one by one. But the syntax and all is somewhat different. So here I am going to give you a simple example. So it will work with the tuples, sets and all. So here I have given courses equal to Python, HTML, CSS3. So I have declared already here for a variable called courses. I have declared these values. Here what I am doing here is practicing courses. So what will come over here is in the place of X, first time it will come Python, second HTML, next CSS3. Like that it will come and it will execute the for loop. So let us see. First time it will come Python and it will print. Second time HTML and then it will print. Third time CSS and then it will print. That means it will iterate 3 times. Then it will print. So see here, see the output. Python, HTML, CSS3. So if I give one more value called Javascript, here you can see that it will iterate how many times? 4 times. So first time Python, HTML, CSS3, then JavaScript. So you can see this is how you will get Python, HTML, CSS3 and then JavaScript. This is how these loops are helpful. So if you want the strings, so if you want even the strings can be iterated, right? So if you want the string for Python, if you want to iterate this Python like P, Y, T, H, O, and line by line, one by one, if you want as a number, each character, we know that string is a combination of characters, right? So let us see a simple example. This is very simple. For X in Python, that means I am initializing the string. Here I am initializing the string and I am printing the value here. Like first time it will go with P, second time Y, like this. So it will iterate and then it will give the output P, Y, T, H, O, U. So this is beautiful, right? So when you want like n number of values over here, you can give the string over here and you can get the value. You can get each line by line like this. So next one is break statement. In any situation, if you want to break at that particular situation, so you will use this break statement. So here I will show you one example. Here I have written the courses and then I have given for X in courses for loop. And this break statement we already seen in while loop, right? So same will work. So here I have done something. You should find out that what it is and tell me. You can comment me in the comment box. So it will print here now Python, HTML, CSS3. If I execute this program, it will print Python, HTML, CSS3. Why? You should tell me in the comment box. Pause the video and you can comment me and then continue the video. So see Python, HTML, CSS. Why? So the reason is it is not breaking here. The reason is because I have written the spaces over here. So here I have given the white spaces. So if I remove these white spaces, actually it should break after the Python. For Python in courses, then it will print Python. Then Python equal to Python. It should break here. Now it will break. I removed the white spaces. Yes, it came out of the loop. It will not print HTML and CSS. If you give here white spaces, what it is happening here is, it is not recognizing this because white space is also calculated. So if you give the white space over here, then now it will execute. I hope you understood. So this is why it is not breaking. If I did not give the white space, it will not break. So this is how the break statement will work. Next one is continue. So if you want to continue this even though it is breaking, if you want to continue, then what you will do? So here I will give a simple example for this also. Instead of break, there I will write continue. Simple. So if x equal to Python, then continue. Print x. So it will skip Python. See here what it will give the output. You can ask Python, HTML, CSS. Now also I have given the space over here. So I will remove the space and I will run. See, Python is skipped because here what I am doing is x equal to Python, then you don't print that, then continue, then HTML, CSS3. You can also write if you don't want CSS3 here. So you can write, if you don't want to print CSS3, then you can write CSS3, then you can run it using Python and HTML. So this is how the continue statement will work. So this break in continue when it will work is if you want to break in any certain conditions. If you wanted to break the condition and if you want to come out of the loop, come out of the condition or come out of the loop, then you can use the break condition. If you want to continue, even though the break condition is satisfied, and then also you can continue after the break, then the continue statement will work. This is how break and continue will work. Next is range function. So what is this range function is to loop through the set of code a specified number of times we can use the range function. So the range function returns sequence numbers starting from 0 by default and increments 1 that ends a specified number. So how many numbers? Let us see a simple example so that we can easily understand. So for x in range 10, that means it will print from 0 to 10. Sorry, 0 to 9. It is a range function. That means from this level to this level you want. You will give the numbers over here. If you want till 100, so you will till 99, you will give here 100. See here, why it came as 9 is it is coming as from 0. So it will come as 9. I gave here as 100. So it will come from 0 to 99. That is. So this is how this range will work. So we can also give a range of values also. For range 2, 6 as a parameters have given. So let us see this how the parameters will work. Range 2, 6. From 2 to 5 you want. That means from here to the external value, this value will not be included. 2, 3, 4, 5. For x in range, that means it will iterate from 2 to 5. Like that. Next example. So here increment also have given. So increment the sequence with 3. Default is 1. So here that means from 2 to 30 you will be incremented with 3. So let us see. Here I have given 2 and 30. That means this is the starting value, this is the ending value, this is the increment value. So 2 to 30, 2, 3, 4 is left, 5, 6, 7 is left, 8, 9, 10 is left. So here like that it will be incremented. 27, 26, 27, 28. So this is a iterated like this. So next, so here what you should give here is starting number and the ending number, the increment, how much you want to increment you should give like this. So this is how it will help with the help of range. Here range you should give because we are accessing the range only. Here 2 to 30 range. From 2 to 30 range we are accessing with the help of with the increment 3. So next is else in for loop. Else. So what is else in the for loop? So else keyword is in a for loop specifies a block of code to execute when the loop is finished. So when the loop is finished, this will execute. That means to tell you that the loop has ended. It is just a statement. So it will finish the loop, and after finishing this loop, it will go to else, then it will print finally finished. Like this. So for x in range, so from 1 to 6, so from 0 to 5, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will come to the else loop, then it will print finally finished. So this is how this else. That means you just want, if you want to declare, if you want to tell to the user that the loop has finished, then you will give this else loop, else statement. Then coming to the nested loop. Nested loop means loop within the loop. It's called as a nested loop, right? So what is this nested loop will do is, let us see. So here I have given Python, HTML, CSS as courses, and colors are red, yellow, green, like that I have given. So let me declare this. Then you can see over here. For x in color C, I have written a for loop. Within a for loop, I have written another for loop. I have initialized two variables, x and y for the different. For colors, I have initialized x, and for courses, I have initialized y. Then finally, I am printing x comma y. So for x in color, that means red it will come. For y in colors, Python. Like that. You can see the output and then you can analyze. So red Python, red HTML, red CSS. So you can analyze. So for x in colors means first it will come red, then it will enter into the loop. For y in courses. So what is y for Python? Python in courses. So red and Python it will come. Then afterwards, that for y in courses it will first it will finish the inner loop. If the inner loop is finished, then it will go to the outer loop. Until and unless the inner loop finish, it will not go to the outer loop. So I will show you one. I will explain you one loop, and you can understand. So for red in colors, then it will execute red in Python. Next for y in courses, Python will be already there. Then it will go to HTML. For HTML in courses, already Python is here. So Python already red is here. Sorry, already red is here. So you will get it as red and HTML. Then again it will go here for CSS. CSS in courses. So it will print red and CSS. Then again, so nothing is here. So it will go to for loop again, the main loop again. So next it will access yellow. It will take the yellow for yellow in colors. Next for y in courses, again for Python in courses, so yellow Python. It will print yellow Python. Next yellow HTML. So in this way, all it will iterate a loop within a loop. This is a for loop. So like if you want to develop simple pyramids or any type in this case, this for loop will be used. Like for loop within a for loop, nested for. Next is pass statement. So if you don't want to write any condition, if you don't want to write any statement, then this pass statement will be helpful. So here I have written for x in colors, for y in colors, print x comma y I have written. So I don't know what to print. In this case. So in that situation, I will write pass. So you can see, will not be any output. If you are not giving this pass condition, you can see the error over here. You will get the error. So that is why we will write the pass. If you write the pass, then you will not get any error. To escape the error, that means if you don't know in that situation, you will return it as empty. The pass statement will be empty. So this is how it will help just to avoid the error. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the for loops. So thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.